walk you through how to make a Google Cloud assignment in Canvas. First, you're going to start by hitting this plus assignment button, and then you can begin to build out your assignment. Once I've titled my document, I can begin to start typing my directions here. In my directions, I can include videos, links, pictures, or embed any file from Google Drive. As I scroll down, I can attribute points, select whether or not this assignment is formative or summative, and then I'm going to come to submission type. Before I select a submission type, I'm actually going to complete and save the assignment so that I can attach a rubric. It's really important that you attach a rubric before you attach an external tool. So here I'm going to determine that I want this to sync to Skyward. I'm going to pick my due date and then I'm going to press save. Once the document has saved, I'll be prompted to add a rubric. Adding a rubric, I can find a rubric that I've already built, or I can build a new rubric here. When building a rubric, it's important to consider these different options. I'm going to want to use this rubric for grading my assignment, and by selecting that, when I go into SpeedGrader later on to grade the assignment, the points will automatically be calculated and inserted into my gradebook. Then when I'm ready, I'm going to hit Create Rubric. So here is my rubric, and I'm going to go back into my edit mode. Then I'm going to go back to submission type. When going to submission type to create a Google Cloud assignment, I'm going to select external tool. I'm going to go down to a Google Cloud assignment. And then if I know the name of my document, I can search right here. If not, my Google Drive will load and I'll be able to navigate through my folders. So I'm going to paste a title of a document here. I'm going to wait for that to load. And once that does, I'll select that assignment and hit submit. Now that I have my Google Cloud assignment uploaded, I'm going to hit select. Then I will be able to scroll down and hit save. So now this is what students will see. They'll see an assignment that is a copy created for them. They'll be able to select this link and open it in a new tab, and then they'll begin to edit the document. When they're ready, they will have a button up here that says Submit, and they'll be able to submit that document, which will then appear in the SpeedGrader for you. Remember, we built a rubric, so you'll be able to edit this rubric right here. Make sure, though, that the rubric point value matches the point value for the actual assignment. So as I go back into my Google Cloud assignment here, I see that my rubric is 5 points. I had initially put in that this assignment was worth 10 points. If you have any discrepancy, you're going to get an error when it goes to load into your Skyward. So you're going to want to make sure that you double check that your point values match, and then as always, hit save. The advantage to having a Google Cloud assignment is that teachers can craft templates for their students. Students can then submit that completed work, and teachers can use the SpeedGrader to provide feedback to students. Keep playing with your Canvas submission types and experimenting with this feature today.